Good day, good love, and great light illuminators and way showers. Thank you for being with me and Dave as we share just another spontaneous miracle moment as a storm moves in. And I thought, wow, let's just turn on the camera and thank the Father Sky and Mother Earth and the winds and the rain and all those things that we are all made of. Oh, and how water makes everything grow. It makes us. And the trees give off what we breathe. So I love sharing these moments of gratitude. And it reminds me too of how strong we all are, because the weather is a reflection of the human collective consciousness.
I need to eat
And I can hear all the birds reacting. They're like, come on home, everybody. The storm's coming. And once again, I'm reminded that these storms in our lives too shall pass. Once again, we're reminded that, we came to experience the storm and the rain and the wind, and in order to grow. And that's metaphorically, spiritually. Whoops. And the weather always reminds me too of our own strength. Woo! It reminds us of our own strength and versatility, an unwavering spirit.
And the rings also bring purification and renewal.
Just like a good cry, the purification that we feel and smell after a rain. Cleansed and whole again.
And perhaps a reflection of beliefs being let go of.
Absolutely. That's probably one of the things I think about the most during the storm is, okay, I've weathered another storm. And what has this allowed me to release? And where has it shown me more of my own strength? Mashaha e hayumukurumba. Na shuakwa shaivaha nita yukushamayawa huku.
I'm watching a bird flying into the wind and hardly moving.
I see it. Probably can't pick it up on camera. Oh, there it is.
With some lightning in the background.
That's us, guys. Flying into the wind with a little lightning in the background. Ishwaka ine isibasabalisho hono kwa ishiniki isibasama isha. Zamasi mahaya maha. And it reminds me too to really see, experience every storm as the blessing that it is.
Another one over
Mashawa, Queenia, Sapusa, Soto, Kurashi.
And I'm also reminded of how in ancient times, as we connect to other versions of ourselves, where the communities relied on the shamans to ask for the rain.
Absolutely. And the wind to carry the pollen and the watering of the earth, restoring the trees that they may continue to breathe. The very oxygen that we require. As the rain begins to pour. I feel the spray on us. And so very, very humbled and blessed to share this now moment with you and with each other.
And thanks for hanging out with us.
Billions and infinite numbers of storms. And remember that you are forever, you exist and always will. And have and will again grow from many storms. Liviana, Intesha, Niki, Sunny Sibeliana, Malatea, Naki, as are your parallel counterparts, your soul families, all also experiencing their storms and our storms together. Ishania Itea Imayana Ki Kayanana.
That's our UFO landing area across the street.
Yaboro Use Shanikia. Inania the Kelizabas Mayana. A beautiful, beautiful rain. And you know, even the raindrops, we often think about infinity and infiniteness, and yet, you know, we cannot even begin to count every single drop of rain right now, yet there are more of us's than every drop of rain. And we can't ever really imagine that from this perspective, but yet somehow these are the reminders of that. You literally are every drop of rain, every leaf and blade of grass, and
every drop is an individual drop until it falls and collects back into one.
And is any drop of rain any more or less important than the next? Absolutely not. They're beautiful in their equalness and their necessity. Just like you, just like us. As the sky and the clouds and the rain is here to remind us. We're infinite beyond comprehension. And yet allowing nature to remind us of our infinite beauty and strength and endurance and the necessity of the storm. So thanks, you guys, for being with us in our storms, and still we soar, and still we soar together. Nahala, Liamoto Koya, and Shianora. With the thunder and the lightning with you. Miyata Shiana Kia. Infinite love and blessings from our hearts and our home to yours. Mahalo Kano. Mahalo.
We love you.
Nyasho. Namaste.